Hello, my name is Federico Tozzi. I'm the Executive Director of the Italy-America Chamber of Commerce. We are here today at the Middleby residential showroom with our good friend, member of the Chamber, brand ambassador for Viking, and influencer, and especially chef, Jackie Rothong. Hi Jackie, how are you?
Hi, thanks so much for having me.
Well, today we're talking about Veneto. So the first thing I want to show you is a drink that now a lot of people know in the United States, but it's a traditional drink made in Veneto. So today we're going to prepare the Spritz.
I have to say I never even knew it was traditional to Veneto.
Yes, yes. You know, the Spritz is something that is from Veneto. Different people think that, you know, some people think this is from Venice. I have a friend of mine from Padova. He's insisting that he's from Padova. So basically, it's definitely from Veneto.
Everyone wants credit for this drink because it's so good.
All right. So you can make Spritz in different ways.
Yes.
But, you know, the most traditional way of making it is to use it using Aperol, which is an Italian bitter. And of course, you have to use a Prosecco. And today we have, you know, Mionetto Prosecco, which is also one of our friends, member of the Chamber. He's helping us with this masterclass series, so we thank them as well. So today we're gonna show you how to make it with Mionetto Prosecco. So first of all, you need some ice, and the other thing that you need some sparkling water, and of course, you know, you need the Prosecco. So sometimes it's fine to have this small bottle because, you know, if you are by yourself and you don't want to open a new big one,
right.
We also have a very, very big one here.
I prefer this just for myself, but we can use a small one for this.
All right. So you just, you know, it's very simple. So first of all, you have to put the Aperol.
Now, there are a lot of different versions of this drink in the United States, so I think it's very interesting to see the true one right now.
Well, you know, I'm Italian.
Yes.
I think mine is pretty close to the real one. So
I'm going to be the true tester here.
Okay, so first of all, you pour the Aperol. You don't put too much because you know, it makes the drink sometimes very, very
bitter.
No, this case it makes it very sweet because you're probably confusing this with Campari, which is another company. Part of the same group, and you can make Spritz. The traditional one is with the Aperol. Okay. So, but you know, I also sometimes I have with the Campari. Campari makes it a little bit bitter. So because the base,
So you could do a nice combo if this is a little too sweet for you.
Well, I'm a traditionalist, so it is a Campari or, you know, Aperol. So,
got it.
But you know, I guess you can mix it if you want it. So, and then you had Prosecco.
So is it equal parts, or you just eyeball it here, guys? We don't even get a recipe. We're just getting equal parts here. I mean, it's like, you know, of course, you know, you can read the recipe for it, and we can give it to our friends. But the point is, you know, this is a very informal way of having a drink. So Italians would just, you know, measure it based on their taste and what they like. Right. So, and you finish up with some sparkling water to add a little extra bubbles. And the key is also use some orange peel. So we generally, you know, do this. So, and then you just drop it in, and you have one already made it. Oh, this is for me now. Now the chef gets to taste and see how it is. Let's do it. Well, salud.
Thank you.
Wow, takes me right back to Italy. I think it's fantastic. Thank you for showing me how to make this.
Thank you very much, Jackie. Thank you.